So in today's video, we're going to look at Baht text, and this converts a number to text into Thai using the Baht currency format. So what's nice about this is this can be used on both integers and decimals. So let's go ahead and get started. So we go in and put BAHTTXT, and then we select the number here. So that converted that into Thai. I can copy that all the way down. You can see this supports both integers as well as decimals. This is also nice because this uses converts to text. So I've got the number 6 here, but whether I'm using THB as a currency format or if I'm using the actual Baht in the currency drop down, these are both available. And just to show you where you get this Baht formatting from, if I go into number and then I go into currency and then I go into symbol, it's about a third of the way down. I'll be honest, I don't really like the order of this, but it is right here. You can do Thai Baht, or you can do, if I go to this other one, it is much further down. They've got all the currencies of the world with their 3-digit code. So this is THB for Thai Baht. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.